Today I'll be unboxing my new Saddlestay which I just ordered from Mototorque a couple of days ago. So here we have this package and I'm yet to open. So I have my accessories ready. These are just the invoice details. So let me just slice this real quick. This side as well. Okay. Cut the sides a little bit. So here we have 2 to 3 pots. So this component goes to the left side and this component goes to the right, and this component lies at the rear portion of my Himalayan. I think they have also sent an instruction manual. There seems to be 5 parts required. So the parts are already there. I just have to give this to a decent mechanic who can fit this. I better go to a mechanic shop rather than trying to fit it myself. See you guys there. Bye. The mechanical shop which I am going is just a couple of kilometers from here. So here we go. I'm carrying all those parts in my shoulder bag. It definitely weighs a lot. Yeah, so here we are. Rynox is one of the leading manufacturers of riding gears and accessories. They have a lot of riding gears, riding jackets, accessories. They also have other accessories like tank bags, tail bags and so on. There are also lots of gloves which are available at the market right now. So here are some. Today I'll be purchasing one of the saddlebags from Rynox called Drystack saddlebags. So let's take a closer look. So this is the outer appearance of the saddlebags. So once we open it, there will be a buckle inside. So if we open that, we'll be having a green colored inner liner which acts as a raincoat. This doesn't let water inside your bag, and on the sides we have a small zip inside which we have a raincoat to cover the bag if in case you feel the inner liner doesn't work. So there are 2 velcros. We could use this to connect with that bag. As you can see, the bag has a depth of my entire arm, and inside which we have the rain liner. So there's a velcro, so we just have to close it. In order to close it properly, we just have to roll it a couple of times. Then there is this buckle we have to close, and after which we need to close the flap. And there are 2 buckles to the sides. Once that's ready, we could use it. Now we have a combined capacity of 60 liters. So let's get moving, shall we? So this is after the installation of the saddle stays. So it's quite sturdy. So now you can see it has the armored look. It feels kind of like a tank just to ride the bike now. For demonstration, I just brought the Rynox tank bag as well. I'll be fitting the saddlebags now. So, oops. This is how it looks now. There are still a couple of other straps which needs to be fitted. I'll just leave it as it is. So we have connected both the individual bags with a strap in between. This is like a Velcro, so we can adjust the height. Right now I have fitted so that it sits on top of the saddle stay. The only thing is that if you don't attach these straps, there's a chance that the bag might go running if you hit a sudden brake. So it's now just fixed temporarily. The only way to keep it permanently fixed is to attach the side straps. Okay, I'll just showcase how it looks. So we have a kind of a buckle over here, and on top of the buckle there's another Velcro. Let me just open it real quickly. I just put a small blanket inside, nothing much, only the blanket. So it has a lot of space. As you can see, this is just one blanket, and that too not properly folded. If you want, you can keep a lot more clothes than this. Once you have closed the Velcro, you can roll it. Okay, so this is waterproof. Just do a couple of roll and then close the buckle. So if you do so, I'm sure no water will enter inside, because this is waterproof material, and there's another layer of waterproofing, so any rain that comes here will not pass through, and definitely will not pass through this portion over here. And again, if you're still reluctant on the waterproofing capabilities, you can use this rain cover which they have provided with the original. You can use this to cover the bag. Some of this material is reflective actually. I'll try to show you. I'm not sure whether you can see here. Maybe at a particular angle you can be able to see the reflectiveness of this. Yeah, I think this is the angle. So if you can see, it kind of illuminates. Bottle holder at the sides, so you can keep at most 2 bottles, or if a small bottle of petrol if needed. So here we have 30 liters of capacity, and inside also we are having a bag and a reflective portion. Similarly on the other side we have another 30, so totally we have 60 liters, so that is more than enough. And here we also have the Rynox tank bag, which I have given a demo in one of my previous videos. Go have a look. So if this still isn't enough, you can always purchase another tail bag, or a tail bag, or a bag on top of the tail bag. So as of now, this is fine, and I'll have a long trip and I'll give you the reviews after I start using it. Okay, it's bye for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can subscribe and share it to your friends. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.